Compare and contrast. I know it can be hard, but you can do it. So for this, you are comparing the Flooded Valley. That was the play where you read the two different scenes. And I, Too, the poem. Now, at first, it might not feel like they have a lot in common, but I want you to think about what the Jennings family went through and what the poet went through. Now, the poem might have been a little hard to understand, but, so it's talking about a darker brother, so presumably somebody who has darker skin, and how they were separated. They were forced to eat in the kitchen instead of with everyone else. Now, you can think of that literally like the kitchen, because it used to be that African Americans were sent to eat in the kitchen while the white people ate in the dining room. Or you can think of it symbolically, how they've just been separated in a lot of ways. So a lot of poor treatments because of the color of their skin. That's what I, Too, is getting at, and hopeful for the future that they could be treated differently and better in the future. Because talking about how someday I will eat with everyone else, so I will get to participate and be equal with everyone else. Now, the Flooded Valley, oops, sorry, I'm recording this at home and you can hear my dogs. The Flooded Valley doesn't have anything to do with the color of their skin, but there is this family who is not treated very well. This company is not respecting their land, is going to take away their land, and they don't have a choice about it either. Okay? So see if that can stir some ideas as far as going through hardship, not maybe living the life they want, not having a choice about what they go through. Okay? See if you can come up with any other ideas, but hopefully that can give you a start. And let me know if you need any help. Sorry again about the dogs.